Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make cauliflower curry. It's very easy and quick enough to make for a weeknight meal. This curry goes really well with rice or any type of bread. I'll link my puri recipe down below if you want to make it. Heat up a pot and pour in a few tablespoons of oil. You can use coconut oil or vegetable oil. When the oil's hot, add cumin seeds. They'll sizzle and change color a little bit. Add finely chopped ginger. Finely chopped red onion, a little salt, stir and cook until soft. When the onions and ginger are soft, add finely chopped garlic and slit green chilies. These are spicy, so you can use as many or as few as you'd like. Stir and cook until golden brown. Then add diced tomatoes, ground turmeric, ground coriander, garam masala, ground fennel, Kashmiri chili powder, and salt. Mix that well and cook for about a minute. Cover the pot and cook until the tomatoes are soft. You can press on them a little bit so they melt into the sauce. The oil has separated, and that's how you know it's ready. Whisk some full-fat yogurt smooth and pour that in. Stir to combine. Cover and cook for about 5 minutes. You see the mixture has thickened up. Add cut up florets of cauliflower, bite-sized pieces, and enough water to cook the cauliflower. About 3/4 of the way up. It shouldn't cover the cauliflower because then it'll be too much water and your gravy will be too watery. Mix that well. Cover and cook until the cauliflower is tender, 10 to 15 minutes. I check halfway through cooking, taste the gravy, and add more salt if I need to. Insert a knife into the cauliflower to make sure it's cooked. It is cooked. When it's done, add some chopped cilantro, and you have a delicious, simple, quick cauliflower curry. I hope you try this out and let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.